Welcome to a journey back in time, to the golden days of the 80s and 90s. This isn't just a quiz. It's a celebration of shared memories, laughter, and the simple joys that united generations across borders. With 13 fun questions for our Indian friends and 12 for our Pakistani friends, this quiz is made with love to spark nostalgia and to spread a message of peace, friendship, and unity. So sit back, smile, and let's relive the magic together. Let's begin the section for our Indian friends. Stay sharp and focus if you are a 80s or 90s kid. What was Doordarshan known for in the 80s and 90s? Was it a private radio channel, or a state-owned TV channel, or a cable service provider? The answer is Doordarshan, the TV channel that lights up our lives with Sunday cartoons, news at 9, and that unforgettable tune. Which Indian TV serial featured characters like Swami and his friends? Was it Shaktiman? Or was it Malgudi Days? Or was it Buniyam? The answer is Malgudi Days, a timeless classic that took us to a simpler world with Swami and his little adventures. What game did Indian children often play using flat stones and a striker? Was it the hopscotch? Or was it the carom? Or was it the ludo? It's carom, the game of flicks and focus, played on wooden boards with coins, chalk powder, and endless childhood laughter. Which Indian comic series featured characters like Suppandi and Shikari Shambhu? Was it Archie Comics, or was it Tinkle, or was it Cha-Cha Chaudhary? The answer is Tinkle Comics, the beloved series that brought us Shikari Shambhu, Suppandi, and endless giggles in every colorful page. Which Indian superhero wore a maroon costume and fought evil? Was it the Batman? Or was it the Nagraj? Or was it the Shaktiman? The answer is Shaktiman, India's first superhero, who taught us that with power comes responsibility. And a perfect spin. Which famous Indian movie starred Aamir Khan as a student in the 90s? Was it the movie Lagaan? Or was it DDLJ? Or was it Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar? The answer is Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar, the 90s classic that made us cheer for underdogs and dream of victory with every pedal stroke. Which Indian drink brand was very popular among kids in Tetra Packs? Was it the drink Maaza, or was it Rasna, or was it Pepsi? The answer is Rasna, the summer drink of our childhood, where every sip came with a smile.
I love you, Rasna.
Which board game was commonly played with snakes and ladders? Was it the Monopoly? Or was it the Scrabble? Or was it the Samp Seedhi? The answer is Samp Seedhi. One dice, a ladder to win, or a snake to slide. Who hosted the Indian show Sulbhi? Was it Shekhar Suman? Or was it Siddharth and Renuka? Or was it Anu Kapoor? The answer is Siddharth Kak and Renuka, the iconic duo who brought Surbhi into our living rooms every Sunday. Which Indian toy was a hit among girls in the 90s? Was it the Hot Wheels? Or was it the Barbie? Or was it the kitchen set? The answer is kitchen set. The tiny pots and pans that cooked up big childhood memories. What was the name of the Indian pencil brand with a pink eraser on top? Was it Natraj pencil? Or was it Apsara pencil? Or was it Camlin pencil? The answer is Nataraj pencil, the red and black legend that wrote every school story.
Bonded lead wali pencil, Natraj.
Natraj pencil.
Which Indian chocolate bar was known for the tagline, Kuch meetha ho jaye? Was it the 5-star? Or rather, was it the Perk? Or was it the Dairy Milk? The answer is Dairy Milk, the sweet bite of every celebration.
शुभारंभ कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
Which Indian dance show aired in the 90s and became a craze? Was it Boogie Woogie? Or was it Dance India Dance? Or was it Jhalak Dikhla Ja? The answer is Boogie Woogie, the dance show that had us all grooving in the 90s. Let's now begin the section for our Pakistani friends. Let's relive the golden era. Ready? Let's begin. What was Ainak Wala Jinn? Was it a political show? Or was it a children's fantasy drama? Or was it a horror series? The answer is Ainak Wala Jinn, the magical hero of every 90s Pakistani childhood.
मुझे जिन मिल गया ना डराओ मुझे.
Which Pakistani TV drama featured characters like Hamid Bhai and Batuta? Was it Alpha Bravo Charlie? Or was it Uncle Urfi? Or was it Guest House? The answer is Guest House, the classic comedy that made every Pakistani laugh in the 90s. Which was the popular cola drink in Pakistan during the 90s? Was it the Coca-Cola? Or was it Pakola? Or was it Sprite? The answer is Pakola, the fizzy green drink that defined every Pakistani celebration.
Pakola, ice cream soda.
Get a free Pakola set.
Which PTV 90s comedy drama was based on a crazy family and its misadventures? Was it Guest House? Or was it Family Front? or was it Bulbule? It's a classic comedy drama. Family Front.
किसे बनो और किसे उधेड़ो, किसे न पूछो, किसे न छेड़ो, घर के अंदर घर के बाहर.
Which brand's bubblegum had collectible tattoos? Was it the Bazooka? Or was it the Donald? Or was it the Boom Boom? The answer is Boom Boom Bubblegum. The sweet treat with comics and the biggest bubbles. Which channel was the main broadcaster in Pakistan during the 80s and 90s? Was it the PTV? Or was it the Jio TV? Or was it ARY Digital? The answer is PTV, the channel that brought families together, one timeless show at a time. Which drama featured the iconic character Major Saab? Was it the drama serial Dhuvan? Or was it the drama Dhoop Kinare? Or was it Tanhaya? The answer is Dhuvan, the action-packed drama that had everyone hooked in the 90s. What was the name of the traditional Pakistani pencil box with calculator? Was it the super box? Or was it the magic box? Or was it the robot box? The answer is robot box, the ultimate pencil case with buttons, secrets and school days swagger. Which Pakistani cricket star was known as the Sultan of Swing? Was it Waqar Younis? Or was it Wasim Akram? Or was it Shoaib Akhtar? The answer is Wasim Akram, the Sultan of Swing, who ruled the 90s with every delivery. Which children's magazine was very popular in Pakistan? Was it the Jugnu? Or was it the Bachcho Ki Duniya? Or was it the Nanha? The answer is Jugnu, the children's magazine that lit up young minds with stories, poems and wonder. What was PTV World known for in the late 90s? Was it known for music videos? Or as its first English language channel? Or for Urdu sitcoms? The answer is first English language channel. Pakistan's window to the world with news, culture and classic charm. Which was a popular Pakistani video game center activity? Was it the Counter-Strike? Or was it the Tekken 3? Or was it the Clash of Clans? The answer is Tekken 3, the arcade legend that turned every kid into a button-mashing champ.
Fight!
Thanks for joining us on this nostalgic ride through India and Pakistan's shared memories. Let's celebrate what connects us, not divides us. Don't forget to subscribe for more unity-filled fun. See you in the next one.